Hello everyone. Welcome to Explaining, Teach, Tutor, Train. Today we will be explaining the best filters for your HVAC system. HVAC filters should be changed regularly. Most experts recommend 2 to 3 months max use before replacement. Contrary to what most people believe, your HVAC filter is to protect the HVAC equipment, not improve indoor air quality. Most people, especially those with allergies and other health issues, do not know that the air filter has very little to do with the quality of the air in their homes. The Canada Housing and Mortgage Corporation did a study that revealed that most of the dust we inhale are present where there are direct human activity. This brings us to the ideal filter required to keep your HVAC system running at maximum efficiency. Most high-efficiency filters slow airflow across the heat exchanger. This adversely affects the efficiency of the unit, raises energy bills, and can cause significant damage. Experts recommend using the thinner and usually cheaper filters. Not only do they cost less, but they keep your HVAC system running effectively. You may also invest in the electrostatic, washable, permanent filters that may last up to 10 years. These may cost up to $50 each, so you may have to shop around for the best deal. Not only will you be saving money in the long run, but you will also be doing your part to sustain our environment. Today we explain the best filters for your HVAC system. Remember to subscribe and check out our other videos. Thank you.